Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Rami. Rami is as well one of our best trader. In fact, this is the third review that I'm doing for him in a very short period of time. In fact, as we can see, Rami joined our funded trader program on the 17th of September. He hit his first 10% target by the 25th of September and his second target by the end of September. And then what happened here? He had a little drawback here. He went back to 15%. Then from the 16th of October onwards, it was just one way up to his third target. Very well done, Rami. Congratulations, because now Rami is managing 120k account, and yes, 120k account. Very good. Let's have a look at the statistics, what they tell us. So an average daily return of 0.59%. This is very good, very interesting. Monthly return of 18%, and drawdown, of course, this is a floating one, 9.15%. And I think that this is about, or maybe in the beginning, yeah, here when it was down 5% on his account, and also here in the beginning of October, the first 2 weeks of October, it was a bit uncertain for him, we can say. Let's have a look at the statistics, the advanced statistics. So overall, Rami took 215 trades with a profitability rate of 64%, which is very good, an average win of 20 pips and an average loss of 18 pips. Let's have a look at his best trade and worst trade, if they were done on the new account, on the latest account he had with us, or previous. I believe so, because his best trade in terms of dollar was on October the 19th, and he gained $1,466. Same in date, in terms of pips, we have 90 pips gained. In terms of his worst trade as well, I believe it was on his last account with us, because yeah, we are talking about October. And yeah, October was quite a month for him, you want to remember. And yes, this worst trade on the 9th, he lost $2,013, and in terms of pips we are talking about 141 pips. Okay, yeah, we saw from his equity line that the beginning of October, the first 2 weeks were not too great for him, but from just the 16th of October things definitely changed for him. Okay, now I do remember that Rami loved to trade one pair in particular, and yes, things are still the same. The majority of his position are on the pound yen. We can see here 206 position on this pair, and he gained overall altogether 1,273 pips and $9,508. Very good, very impressive. We can see quite good results also here on the euro dollar. He gained 48 pips, resulting on $964. Okay, Rami, very well done. Let's have a look at the average trade length for you as well. 7 hours and 26 minutes. What is the scatter plot telling us? Yeah, majority of his position, the vast majority of his position, 19 hours. Few of them, yeah, held for longer, and yeah, also some negative positions here and there. Okay, maybe this is what happened again in that period of October, but Rami managed to get back on track almost straight away. Okay. So I look at his monthly gain. So we can see September was his best month. Of course, as soon as he joined, he hit his target twice, and we can see here 21.3%. October was a bit like funny, and we can see in fact 7.87% when he get from the 16 onwards the biggest, yeah, he went back on track, and 2% so far for November, but the month has just started, Rami, so now we have high expectation on you, and we know that you will not let us down. Keep doing that way, and we look forward to do the next review for you.